we embed working with industry within our curriculum. We have opportunities for our students to have work experience, industry placements, as well as combining our curriculum with industry and making sure that it is industry ready so that we reflect the skills that are needed in industry today. I mean, working on the ground with students as well as looking at their responses to surveys, what they're saying is that what they really enjoy, what they really love about the course is the rounded nature of it. So they love doing the work experience, they enjoy the trips and visits, they enjoy the opportunity to visit local industry and realise what they're learning in the classroom, how that's embedded in industry. We offer a diverse range of courses that ideally meet the needs of our community and surrounding areas, so that we can progress our students to their future careers, essentially. Once you've studied the courses here and you look at further education, higher education, apprenticeships or degrees, you can look at project management, business management, international marketing. You could open up your own salon. You can go work as a commis chef, chef de partie in local restaurants, even a production chef in your local pub. So there's numerous different pathways. Also with our online learning courses, there's 18 courses to choose from. So if you want to upskill and change career, you can do that. We do have, as far in terms of pathways, something for everyone from 16 all the way up to 99, whatever. What I love about being head of faculty and having been here for the last 5 years is the dynamic nature, the ever-changing environment, working with the students and staff. Everyone's passionate about what they do. The students have got mixed backgrounds, but ultimately they all want to learn and we want to help them on their journey to wherever they want to go. Lambeth College is the best place to study. We've got a huge range of courses, so the feedback we're getting from students, the opportunities we've got with the different type of courses that can study, the teaching delivered by the tutors, the facilities we've got and the locality as well. If you're a student wanting to come to Lambeth College, you've got great transport links, you've got courses that are tailored to the needs and what you want, rather than we just look at courses about what nationally or government, it's what our local community wants. So if you study at Lambeth College, you're getting that experience as a programme, not a course. So come here if you want to have that work experience, that enrichment, as well as studying your main course.